Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the professor associate as well as the assistant professor vacancies under the teaching category. And coming to the non-teaching category, deputy controller, assistant registrar, senior administrative officer, technical officer, lab assistant, admin, and the nursing and paramedical staff. So these are the different vacancies are there in this university, and the subjects also you may check down in the thumbnail. So based upon the comments I received, I got this recruitment notification. So if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please don't worry. Mention your requirement in the comment section. Based upon that one, definitely I will come up in the next video if I got the recruitments. Fine. So to get my videos as a notifications, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this university recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Unacademy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Into the present content of the video. So it is Graphicera Hill University from Uttarakhand. And it is one of the deemed to be university. So in this university here we got the recruitment notification. Okay, so we will see regarding this one, guys. First I will show you the brochure and then we will go into the details regarding this recruitment notification. So Graphicera deemed to be university Dehradun, accredited by NAC with grade A and ranked among the top 100 universities in India by NIRF. And MBA, BBA, MCA, BCA, BCom applications are invited from the qualified, committed and competent professionals to fill up the following academic and non-academic positions to manage these programs in its Directorate of Distance and the Online Education. So coming to the administrative positions, Assistant Director, Deputy Registrar, Assistant Registrar, Section Officer. And coming to the eligibility and qualifications as per the University and Grants Commission's norms. And apart from this one, the Assistant's Computer Operator and multitasking staff, Technical Manager Production, Technical Associate, Technical Assistant and Technical Manager. Fine. So graduation with experience in the relevant field. That means, so whatever the positions mentioned here, so graduation with some relevant experience is required. And coming to the academic positions, program coordinators, associate professor in the respective academic field, course coordinators, assistant professor in the respective academic field, course mentors, assistant professors in respective academic field. Eligibility and qualifications as per the University Grants Commission norms. Okay. So here the salary as per the university norms, not a limiting factor for the exceptional candidates with the proven track record. Whoever the interested candidates are there, so you may send your resume, or else you may mail your resume to this provide mail ID, that is hrd@geu.ac.in within 7 days of the date of this publication. Fine. So total these are the details, guys. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you will get the complete details also. And now here you may check down. So current openings, the rolling advertisement for teaching and non-teaching positions 2021 to 22. Click on this one and then it will be directed to this PDF, guys. So rolling advertisement for teaching and non-teaching positions. So yeah, the university offers the PhD, post-graduation, graduation in engineering, management, English, law, commerce, pharmacy, agriculture, fashion design, computer application, journalism, nursing, visual arts, allied science and other academic courses. And from which departments the vacancies are announced. Okay, so the university invites applications from meritorious and highly qualified academicians and professionals in the following areas. So first one, computer science and engineering, English, hotel management, mathematics, mechanical engineering, pharmacy, nursing and paramedical, architecture, computer application, physics, economics, environmental science, civil engineering, fine arts and agriculture, management, chemistry, law, fashion design, animation and gaming, commerce and journalism and mass communication. So these are the different departments. They are announcing the vacancies regarding the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies. And here the few non-teaching positions are also there. You may check down. And the eligibility, qualification, experience and requirements for the post notified shall be governed by the guidelines issued by the UGC or ACT or PCI or other statutory body norms. Okay, so candidates are requested to refer this advertisement in their application, and instructions to the candidates are given. Only applications received through email will be considered. Candidates may send their updated CV to hrd@gehu.ac.in, and the email may be addressed with the subject line in application for designation in department name format. Okay, so post receipt of application, the candidates are, as recommended by the screening committee, shall be invited. Okay, candidates applying for more than one post, they have to submit the separate application forms. And for each of the qualification, professional experience, achievements, etc., the documentary proof in the form of self-attested photocopies are to be produced if called for the interview, demonstration and technical interview for the teaching position. Okay, and you must produce the originals at the time of interview and at the time of joining. So these all the different instructions are given here. You may check down, and the TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. Okay, so yeah, these are all the details regarding this recruitment notification from the Graphic Era Hill University. So all the interested candidates may apply for this one, guys. Okay, here the multiple departments are covered here. So whatever the sections they mentioned, teaching as well as the non-teaching positions, so here the graduates can also apply for a few posts. Postgraduates also can apply. PG plus UGCNET also can apply, and PhD candidates also apply. Fine. So these are the different categories can be covered in this advertisement for the teaching as well as the non-teaching positions. So utilize this opportunity, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the Plus subscription and second one is the Iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the Plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.